Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Brother printer instant fix step by step clearly. Begin by unpacking your Brother printer from the box. Place the printer on a flat, stable surface near a power outlet. Remove any protective packaging materials from the printer. Connect the power cable to the printer. Plug the other end of the power cable into an electrical outlet. Turn on the printer by pressing the power button. Wait for the printer to initialize completely. If your printer has a display, select your preferred language. Next, connect the printer to your wireless network. On the printer's display, navigate to the Setup menu. Select Network and then choose Wireless. Choose WLAN and then Setup Wizard. The printer will now search for available networks. Once your network appears, select it from the list. Enter the Wi-Fi password using the printer's keypad. Confirm the password and let the printer connect to the network. Once connected, a confirmation message. Next, download the Brother printer setup software on your computer. Visit Brother's official website to find the appropriate software. Choose your printer model from the list. Download and install the drivers by following the on-screen instructions. Once the installation is complete, open the setup software on your computer. Choose the option to add a new printer. Select your Brother printer from the list of available devices. Follow any additional prompts to complete the setup. Once the printer is added, perform a test print to confirm the connection. If the test print is successful, your printer is ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.